Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to lose body fat while maintaining or even building muscle. If you're new to the channel, my name is Danny Clifford. I've been in the fitness industry for over 20 years. I've competed and won multiple bodybuilding competitions, and recently I placed third in the country for classic bodybuilding UK. I'm a former firefighter and now an actor. And the reason why I started this channel is to help you all become the best versions of yourself. So let's break it down. How do we actually lose body fat? Here's the science part. So the first thing we need to do is measure our weight. This will give us an indication of how many calories we need to maintain our body weight during the day. So let's say you're a 200-pound male, you're going to need 2,900 calories to maintain that body weight. If you're a 150-pound female, you're going to need 2,200 calories to maintain that body weight. So how do you lose fat? Simple. You go into a calorie deficit. So to lose body fat, we need to lower the calories. I go for a deficit of 400 below your maintenance. So let's say you're 2,900 for a male at 200 pounds, then your deficit will come down 400 to 2,500. And for a female at 150 pounds, you go from 2,200 down to 1,800 calories. This will be the perfect window for you to start losing body fat. But how do we break those figures down into perfect macros? Simple. We break them down to proteins, fats, and carbs. And remember the golden rule: 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, 0.3 to 0.4 grams of fat per pound of body weight. And the rest is made up of good, clean carbohydrates. So for a 200-pound male, you're going to need 200 grams of protein, 65 grams of fats, and 265 grams of clean, good carbohydrates. For a 150-pound female, you're going to need 150 grams of protein, 45 grams of fats, and 199 grams of carbohydrates. Now, if you follow those macros, you'll definitely maintain muscle or even build muscle and lose body fat at the same time. But some notes to remember: stay away from processed foods, drink enough water, preferably bottled water or filtered water. Make sure you're having enough vitamins. And if you do need some vitamins or any supplements, go onto myprotein.com and use my discount code and you'll get 10% off all supplements or sportswear. So that's discount code Clifford. Don't eat too late at night. Our metabolic rate slows down, so at night time we're going to be storing a lot more calories opposed to first thing in the morning when our metabolic rate is a lot quicker. Also make sure you get enough rest, guys. I can't stress the importance of a good night's sleep. You want to be getting at least 7 hours a night. Keep your stress levels low. The stress hormone cortisol is a killer for gains and will also slow down the fat burning process. And now we know our macros, what exactly do we eat? So I'm going to give 2 examples: a 200-pound male and a 150-pound female. There's going to be a diet for both on the screens coming up now. If you want to screenshot, go ahead. But burning fat isn't just about healthy eating. It's also about putting the work in the gym, doing your cardio, and also strength training. It's important that we do not overtrain. Doing too much in the gym without recovery kills gains and will kill our progress. Rest and recovery are just as important as training is. So the best workout split I advise for this shred is push-pull legs. I've done videos on this before. I'll put links so you can see in the bio, but it's a good foundation to maintain and even build muscle while also putting the cardio work in. We've got to remember, guys, we're going to be doing more cardio than we usually would do because we need to constantly be burning those calories. I would recommend doing a push session on a Monday, then a day off, pull session on a Wednesday, then a day off, then legs, then a day off, and then do either a full body or a weak point training session. So let's say you've got a lagging body part, maybe your legs need bringing up, maybe your glutes need working on if you're a girl and you want to concentrate more on that. Have a glute and legs day. You could have 2 leg days a week. It all depends on your body type. Use the mirror as a scale, take pictures, and you'll see your progress. But remember, guys, don't skip leg day. If you want to work out the perfect macros for your body weight, the formula for that is on the screen right about now. So there you have it. It's that simple. Rinse, recycle, repeat. It can get boring. The diets can get boring, but do mix it up. If you want a steak one day, or you want fish another day, or if you want eggs another day, then mix it up. I recommend doing this for at least 8 weeks to get maximum results. If you're a bodybuilder prepping for a bodybuilding show, I recommend doing this for no less than 12 weeks. Now, the first few days of this will be hard. I'm not going to lie to you. Maybe in the first few weeks. But the most important thing is consistency. Just take it one day at a time, one meal at a time, one workout at a time. Don't think about 8 weeks ahead. Don't think about, oh, I'll look terrible now. It will come. The progress will come. Just stick to the plan and everything will work out, I promise.
No retreat, no surrender.
For your cardio, make sure you do your cardio fasted in the morning. If that's not possible, just do it whenever you can. But first thing in the morning is the best time, because if you do fasted cardio, body's used up all the food in your system, so it has to then use the fat stored on your body as fuel. Just remember, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you as many as I can. But most of the information is all here. This is your foundation to move forward with that physique you've always wanted. I know you can do it. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, turn on those notifications, leave a comment, share. So good luck everyone, and I'll see you on the next video.